Welcome to our series premiere, where we unlock the simplicity of SIPROTEC 5 configurations. Today, we'll explore how customizable templates can change your approach to protective relays. Let's get started. SIPROTEC 5 is known for modular to the user's needs and powerful in what it does. Thanks to its user-customizable templates, setting up protection schemes gets a whole lot easier and way more precise. So, let's dive in and check out how we can turn a configuration into a template. It'll be a game changer for future projects your team tackles. Think of it as creating a go-to blueprint you can use time and again. Let's kick things off by starting with a solid base in Dixie 5. We've got a preset lineup featuring a SIPROTEC 7 SL-A5 device geared up for protection and control schemes on a 138 kV line. Plus, there's a transformer set up for 138 kV to 34.5 kV operations using SIPROTEC 7 UT-A5, and lastly, a typical device for our 34.5 kV medium voltage feeder using the SIPROTEC 7 SJ-A5. Our engineering team has put in hours of work to ensure everything is top-notch, so we're all set to use these as our foundation for building templates. It's about leveraging proven settings as your starting point, ensuring reliability from the get-go. Creating a personal database of templates begins with a simple right-click and export. Let's export a UAT file together. First up, we'll right-click on the 7 SL-A5 and choose to export the UAT file. This file packs all the details you'll need about the template. We'll do the same for the transformer and MV feeder to get all our bases covered. Now that we've got our 3 UAT files, it's time to start fresh with a new project. Let's name our substation Substation Training. Once we've got our substation set up, we can add new devices. Just make sure you've got the part numbers for the devices you're planning to use in your actual substation. They don't have to match the ones from your template creation exactly, but make sure they're the right type. 7SL for the line, 7UT for the transformer, and 7SJ for the feeder. All right, now we're getting to the good part. We'll hit the Add a New Device button and pop in our MLFB, that's our part number. When it's time to pick a template, head over to the User Defined tab and scout out the UAT Files folder. Here, we can pick the version of the configuration we're looking to roll with. Now, let's get our hands dirty and create the first line. We'll just rinse and repeat the same steps for line 2, the transformer, and a couple of feeders. Watch how everything comes together. protections, logic flows, and I/O configurations come preset. Now it's your turn. Tweak those settings, ensure the logic aligns just right to suit the unique needs of your substation. Remember, the template is just your starting point. You've got full creative license to tailor it to your application. We've covered the essentials of creating efficient configuration templates for SIPROTEC 5 devices. Harnessing these foundational skills accelerates setup and ensures consistency across implementations. Stay with us as we elevate our knowledge in Episode 2, where we'll utilize digital twin technology to test our relay configurations. It's a session you won't want to miss. Thanks for watching.